In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate emails with Monday.com so you can automatically turn emails into actionable tasks inside your boards. This is perfect if you're managing client requests, support tickets, project updates, or any workflow where emails need to become trackable items. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate your board's unique email address and use it to create items automatically. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Monday.com tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open Monday.com and navigate to the specific board where you want emails to be converted into items. This can be any board, whether it's a project board, a CRM board, a task tracker, or a support pipeline. Make sure you're inside the correct board because each board has its own unique email address. Once you're inside the board, go to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three dots, also known as the Options menu. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options that appears, click on Board Settings. This is where you'll find configuration options specific to that board. Inside the Board Settings menu, look for the option that says Create Items via Email. Click on that option. Monday.com will now generate a unique email address specific for this board. It will look something like yourboard@monday.com. This email address is directly connected to the board you're currently viewing. Go ahead and copy that unique board email address. You can save it in your contacts, share it with your team, or use it in automation workflows, depending on your needs. This address is what allows emails to be transformed into new items automatically. Now, here's how it works. Anytime you forward an email to this unique Monday.com board address, a new item will automatically appear inside the board. The subject line of the email becomes the item name, so whatever the email subject says will show up as the main title of the new task or item. The body of the email will appear in the update section of that item. That means all the details, instructions, or messages inside the email are stored within the item itself, keeping everything organized in one place. This is incredibly powerful for a few reasons. First, if clients or team members send you requests by email, you don't have to manually copy and paste information into Monday.com. You simply forward the email to your board's unique address, and the item is created automatically. Second, it reduces the risk of forgetting tasks that are buried in your inbox. Every important email can instantly become a trackable task. Third, it keeps communication centralized. Instead of searching through your inbox later, you'll find the full email content directly inside the item's update section. You can even give this email address directly to clients or external partners if you want them to create tasks in your board without giving them full access to Monday.com. They simply send an email and the task appears. It's a clean and efficient way to capture incoming work. And that's it. That's how you integrate emails with Monday.com using the Create Items via Email feature. It's quick to set up, easy to use, and can save you a huge amount of manual work over time. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tips, automations, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.